As your business grows, managing your finances efficiently becomes paramount. Zoho Books emerges as a powerful cloud-based accounting software designed to streamline these crucial operations. One common question that arises, especially for expanding businesses, is how many users can actually use Zoho Books? Understanding the user limitations within Zoho Books is vital for effective project management and team collaboration on financial tasks. It directly impacts how your finance team, project managers, and even other stakeholders can access and interact with your financial data. Let's delve into the specifics of Zoho Books user management and how it scales with your business needs. Zoho Books, a flexible solution for growing teams. Zoho Books doesn't impose a rigid, one-size-fits-all user limit. Instead, its user capacity is intrinsically linked to the specific pricing plan you choose. This tiered approach allows businesses of varying sizes and complexities to select a plan that aligns with their current requirements and offers room for future expansion. Think of it like choosing the right size of a project management platform. A small team working on a single project might only need a basic plan with limited user access. However, a larger organization managing multiple concurrent projects with dedicated finance and project teams will require a plan that accommodates a greater number of users. Decoding the Zoho Books pricing plans and user limits. To understand the user limitations, we need to examine the different pricing tiers offered by Zoho Books. While the exact pricing and features might evolve over time, the fundamental concept of tiered user access remains consistent. Here's a general overview of how user limits typically align with Zoho Books plans. Free plan, often designed for very small businesses or freelancers with basic accounting needs. The free plan typically includes access for a single user. This is ideal for sole proprietors managing their own finances. Standard plan. This plan, usually catering to small to medium-sized businesses, typically allows for a limited number of users, often ranging from 2 to 3 users. This accommodates small finance teams or business owners who need to grant access to a couple of key personnel. Professional plan. As businesses grow and require more robust accounting features and team collaboration, the professional plan increases the user capacity. You can generally expect this plan to support a higher number of users, potentially ranging from 5 to 10 users. This allows for dedicated accounting teams and potentially project managers who need to oversee project-related finances. Premium plan. Designed for larger businesses with more complex financial operations, the premium plan offers a significantly larger user capacity, often accommodating 10 or more users. This tier is suitable for organizations with dedicated finance departments, multiple project teams, and potentially the need to grant access to department heads for financial reporting. Ultimate plan. For enterprises with extensive user requirements and advanced features, the Ultimate plan typically provides the highest number of included users, often exceeding 15 or even 20 users. This plan is tailored for organizations with intricate financial workflows and the need for broad access across different departments. Important considerations for user management in Zoho Books. Beyond the initial user limits associated with each plan, here are some crucial aspects of user management in Zoho Books to keep in mind. User roles and permissions. Zoho Books allows you to define specific roles and permissions for each user. This is a critical project management principle applied to financial data. You can control what each user can view, edit, and perform within the software. For instance, a project manager might have access to project-related invoices and expenses, but not have the authority to modify the chart of accounts. This granular control ensures data security and prevents unauthorized actions. Adding additional users. Most Zoho Books plans offer the flexibility to add more users beyond the initial limit for an additional fee per user per month. This scalability is essential for growing businesses. As your team expands, you can easily accommodate new members without needing to upgrade to a completely different plan prematurely. Impact on collaboration. The number of users directly impacts the level of collaboration on financial tasks. With more users, different team members can contribute to invoicing, expense tracking, payment reconciliation, and financial reporting simultaneously, improving efficiency and reducing bottlenecks. Cost implications. While adding more users provides greater flexibility, It also increases the overall cost of your Zoho Books subscription. It's crucial to carefully assess your current and future user needs to choose a plan that balances functionality, user access, and budget. Regular user review. As part of good project management practice, it's advisable to periodically review the users who have access to your Zoho Books account. Remove users who no longer require access, e.g., former employees, to maintain security and optimize your subscription costs. Choosing the right plan for your user needs. Selecting the appropriate Zoho Books plan based on your user requirements is a critical decision. Consider the following factors. Current team size. How many individuals in your organization currently need access to financial data? Future growth projections. Do you anticipate your team expanding in the near future? Factor in potential new hires who will require access. Role-based access. Identify the different roles within your organization that need access to Zoho Books and the level of permissions they require. Collaboration needs. How important is it for multiple team members to work on financial tasks concurrently? Budget constraints. Evaluate the cost implications of different plans and the additional user fees. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can choose a Zoho Books plan that not only meets your current user needs, but also provides a scalable foundation for your future growth. Just like selecting the right tools and resources for a project, choosing the appropriate accounting software plan with adequate user capacity is essential for efficient financial management and overall business success.